Today we're going to talk about the LMI Roytronics pumps and the associated tubing and tubing connectors. To assure that you do indeed have a Roytronics pump, check out the four-function valve at the bottom. You'll notice the presence of a white or a black O-ring. If this O-ring is in place, you indeed have a Roytronics pump, which will come with one of three sizes of tubing. The first of which is our 1/4 inch. The 1/4 inch tubing has one ferrule only, and that ferrule is slipped on with the ridged top going first. And as you have this, you want to leave just a little bit of tubing exposed so that when you place the tubing into the four-function valve body and tighten the coupling nut, you indeed have a very, very secure compressed tubing and ferrule connection. Our next size is a 3/8. Both the 3/8 and the half have two ferrules associated with this tubing connection system. The first item that should go on, the first ferrule, will have the ridge. The ridge goes first and is followed by the insertion of the other mating ferrule. And just as before with the 1/4 inch, when this is screwed down to the head, these two fittings are pressed together, forming a nice compression of the ferrules onto the tubing. Our final size is 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch, just like the 3/8, has two ferrules to it. First is the ridged ferrule, which goes on first, and the mating ferrule goes on second. Once you have these in place, tighten this onto the four-function valve and you've got a nice, secure, tight connection between your tubing and the pump.